welcome people to the video. So in this video, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, can it teach me SQL like from scratch? Like from being someone who doesn't know anything about SQL to a master in SQL, and in how much lesser time can someone learn SQL and master it? So I'm just warming up ChatGPT here, giving random prompts, and I'm gonna skim through this video really fast. Like, who wants to watch the boring stuff? Like everybody wants to see the result. Is it doable or not? So after that, I just gave a correct prompt to ChatGPT, like give me a precise 6 days roadmap. Assume that I am someone who know nothing about SQL, and teach me how I can learn, where I can learn, and everything regarding that. After that, ChatGPT give me a precise answer. If you want to know what the answer was, you can type it into your device as well. And after that, I asked ChatGPT to give the data sets as well. And then as it show me that you can practice it here on my SQL workbench, so I have downloaded it on my device and just started doing all the steps that ChatGPT has given me, like creating a dataset or a schema. After that, loading the dataset into the, and after that, using basic queries to check whether uh, like you have learned something or not. Like I have used here like select star and all those basic queries. uh, those were given me by ChatGPT, so I'm just following step by step and see that are those useful or not. So far so good. Everything is working. If some error occurs, I just go back to ChatGPT and paste the error, like this happening and how to solve this. That's what I've been doing so far. So good. So the queries were working just fine, as these queries are just copied and pasted from ChatGPT, so they should be working fine. After that, I have asked ChatGPT to write all the functions that I need to practice on day one. Like it's a 6 days roadmap, so it has given all the functions, and I changed it to another format, like make the format into a questionnaire and answers format. So the functions that I need to perform on day one will be the questions, and its solutions will be the answer, so that it will be easy for me to understand the problem statement and perform its solutions accordingly. So I have just pasted the question where I have to find uh, customer who has no email and city is missing, but due to the limitation of data, the query didn't work. So as you can see here, I have written all the query, like just copied and pasted it, but due to the data limitation, it didn't work. So I have changed the problem statement, like go back to ChatGPT and tell this was the problem. So it changed the problem statement to like get the email containing @Yahoo and city will be New York. So it changes. So I changed the query and it changes the output. And now the query was running just fine because I changed it according to the dataset, and we get the result accordingly. After that, I just became curious, like it was a big hassle to download that MySQL workbench, going back and forth to YouTube. So I write a prompt in ChatGPT, like act as an IDE where I can perform all the queries of MySQL. Instead of performing it in MySQL, I will just write it in here, and you just check whether the query I have written is right or wrong. So I have just asked it to give me a problem statement, and after that I just started querying it out into the chat box itself. After I have written the whole query, like finding the second highest salary from the employee table. So after I have written in the query, and it worked out just fine, so it has given the output like mm, the answer was correct. And after that I asked it, are there alternate solutions, so it provided the alternate solutions as well. Yeah, so that's it for the video.